Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use and manage Google passwords on HOTWAV Pad 8. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Select Password Manager and here click on the gear icon. And make sure that offer to save password is enabled like I have right here. Then we can go back and find whichever website we want to save our credentials for. In this case, I'm going to go for Facebook. Enter your credentials and click on Login. And a few seconds after we clicked on Login, we can save our password with this pop-up. Move back to Password Manager the same way. And here on the bottom, you should see the list of websites that you saved the password for. Unlock your tablet and inside you can see your email address or username. There's also a password. You can copy both of them. And to preview the password, click on this I button. There's also option to edit this password and username right like that, and you can save it right here on the top. And one last thing we can do is click on delete to remove the password from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.